Hello all, it's Holly and welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to do this video because it is a sticker haul from the new Coffee Planner Mom shop, and I'm so excited she's doing a shop. So we're gonna get right to it and I'm gonna show you what I ordered. If you haven't checked her out, I will put a link in the description below to her Instagram, her YouTube, and of course her new shop. So that's pretty cool. All right, so I'm gonna let you know right now that I wanted to order all of the things. I did not order all of the things, but I ordered a lot of the things. So first thing is that she had a freebie, and the freebie was like this little kind of credit card size one that has Trash Night, But First Coffee, Tell Tuesday, Manny, and had some bullet points. So cute. And then the other one has Birthday, Manny, Zoom. So excited for that. Important, Trash Night, Don't Forget, Game Night, and then some other decorative things and some boxes. So those were her freebies. Next, let's get to the other stuff. I'll try and keep some stuff to the side. You do one at a time. Script. So, Tell Tuesday. I am so excited for her Tell Tuesday script stickers that I got 2 of them. Yes, I did. So happy. How cute are they? They're so cute. And I know they're just script stickers. I get it. I understand. All right, so that's Tell Tuesday. And then now we're going to go on to the kits. So I got the Endless Summer one. Make sure I get all of them together here. I think so. Let's see. So she has the decorative boxes, and you get, there we go. You get 9 decorative boxes. I still consider these decorative even though they have writing in them. So it says Endless Summer, Sunshine on My Mind, and then some little almost quarter boxes. A full sheet. Look at all of these colorful boxes. Like, that is a ton. So you got the quarter and then, or you got the half and you've got the quarter. That's what I want to say, half and quarter. I'm excited to use these probably in my next spread. I'm just deciding if it's going to be in my teacher planner or in my regular planner, my catch-all. And then you have Hello Summer and some check boxes in that ombre pattern. Some check boxes. So checklist, check boxes. See, I'm so excited. I'm forgetting my words even as I'm doing this. And then like Monday through Sunday stickers. And then date covers. And I like these dots down here. They're super cute as well. And then a page of script stickers. And this week, meal plan. Next week, don't forget. Appointment, Tell Tuesday. I'm so excited for all the Tell Tuesdays. Chores, Trash Night, Payday. Every Summer Has a Story. I Just Need Summer Nights, Sunkissed, and Weekend. So that is the Endless Summer kit. I feel like you get a ton of stickers in her kits, and I love that. All right, the next one is the Simplistic kit. And I just liked it because it was kind of, well, it was simplistic, obviously. That's why I liked it. So again, you've got the full boxes and Storms Don't Last Forever, and then you have the quarter boxes down here. Again, a full sheet of colorful boxes. I love it. I'm so excited. I love the colors too. Simple is beautiful. And again, you've got your checklist, Monday through Sunday stickers, check boxes, days of the week or date covers, and some bullet points down here. Some script stickers. And this one has, again, these are the same, I believe, as the last one. Oh, this one has an added birthday one. Right? Yeah. Trash Night is there. Oh, and dinners. Birthdays and dinners are added on this one. Then Weekend, then We Rise by Lifting Others. I love that quote. Good Things Take Time. I need to hear that quote more often. Go where you feel the most alive. So that is the simplistic kit. Again, a ton of stickers. Now, I will say, I normally probably wouldn't have gone for this next kit, but I just thought it was really like bright. I mean, it's the Brights kit, so it should be, but fun, something out of my comfort zone, something I wouldn't normally do. So this is her Brights. And it also made me think of back to school in like, you know, using crayons. And I'm not the art teacher. I thought about becoming an art teacher, but like I just felt like, you know, it just seemed very back to school, and I liked that. So there is your decorative boxes, full decorative boxes, and some quarter boxes. Again, your full sheet of colorful boxes, and these are colorful. I can't wait to use these. Like, I'm so excited. Your check boxes or your checklists. Every day is a fresh start. Oh my gosh, that's a teacher thing to say. Monday through Sundays, check boxes, bullets, days of the week, and then your script stickers, appointment, chores, trash night, Tell Tuesday. I've got so many Tell Tuesday stickers. I should technically be set for a while. Payday, birthday, dinners, weekend, killing it, bright, positive, rainbow vibes. I decide my vibe. This is like a big deal for me in my classroom actually this year. I talk about the 7 habits a lot. You're going to see me talk more about the 7 habits in my planner. And one of the topics about being proactive is about creating your own weather, your own emotional weather, and, you know, not letting things out of your control affect you. So I decide my vibe. That's awesome. And then I got an extra sheet of her quarter boxes for simplistic. And the reason why is because I'm going to use the quarter boxes, whether it's hers or whatever sticker groupings that I have. I know I'm going to have to self-temperature check when I go back to school. So I'm going to be using these. I haven't decided. I think they're going to go in my monthly spread. And just like every morning, check my temperature, write it in. I don't believe they're asking us to like present, but in case they would, I just want to make sure that I'm good to go. So that's what this is for. That is my haul, ladies and gentlemen, and Coffee Planner Mom, this is amazing. I am so excited to use these stickers. Awesome job. Like, so many spreads. So many spreads are coming from these. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more, especially what's coming up, especially as we go into August. And have an excellent time. See you later.